You gotta love old boats. We're on an old 31 Jupiter. It's a nice boat. It's got a few things that I would definitely change on it. But this is what they had, these breakers in. I mean, it lasts a long time. I don't know how long this thing lasts, but they had a little box in the back here with 2 breakers in it with this little cover in it. And yeah, it lasted for a while. I mean, take a look. A little water in there. We're gonna rip that box out and put 2 surface mount breakers down here now and be done with it. This one was for the hard top to power up his antique bottom machine. Let's take a look up here. It's got a stereo, which is updated. Bruno bottom machine, which is an antique, but I tell you what, this machine is awesome. It is probably one of the best bottom machines ever built. And then a newer VHF, an GPS down in here. They've also got a few cages loaded in here. That bottom machine is killer. The screen sucks on it, but you can work some fish with that thing. For back in the day, it was pretty cool. So we're gonna get them back up. All this stuff will get working here once we replace these breakers. So stay tuned.